kids, I am Boo, your friend. Today we will learn the names of colors. There are many bright and beautiful colors. Let's read the names. Red, orange, yellow, light green, deep green, sky blue, deep blue, indigo, violet, pink, black, white. How nice to learn! So repeat with me. Red, orange, yellow, light green, deep green, light blue, deep blue, indigo, violet, pink, black, white. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.